What's your vision and mission for the Department of Management?
I want to make Department of Management as previous HODs have worked a lot for our department, and it has even excelled, I'll say, university level club.
One word you describe today's student.
Full of energy. This campus is a safe and inclusive campus.
Your favorite thing about Jamia Hamdard? Today we are honored to welcome our head of the department, Professor Dr. Saidun Nisa ma'am, who also serve as the director of Hamdard Institute of International Studies. Ma'am, thank you for joining us. It's our pleasure to have you here.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Saidun Nisa and I am working as head of the Department of Management, School of Management and Business Studies, Jamia Hamdard.
Ma'am, first of all, congratulations for your appointment as the head of the Department of Management. How does it feel to take on this responsibility?
Thank you so much, Alina, for inviting me to share my views. I am honored and humbled to take the responsibility of HOD, Department of Management, and at the same time, I accept this with a lot of humility and gratitude to Almighty.
Ma'am, as the head of the department, what's your vision and mission for the Department of Management?
I want to make Department of Management as Center for Excellence, not only in the area of academics, but also in industry collaboration, international collaborations, industry linkages, and I would like to work in the area of placement and students' developments.
Ma'am, what are some key strategies or initiatives you plan to implement for the Department of Management?
I believe that previous HODs have worked a lot for our department, and they have actually strengthened the department not only academically but also in terms of industry linkages and placements. So I would like to work in that area only. At the same time, I would like to work on more on industry collaborations and more on international and national collaborations.
Ma'am, how do you plan to align the department's goal along with the Jamia Hamdard School?
Jamia Hamdard is known for its academic rigor and professional courses like nursing, Unani, pharmacy, allied health sciences, and in pharmacy we are number one in NIRF. Apart from that, in last 2 decades, engineering and management has also taken a good achieved a good reputation in market. So I would like to work in that area only where our ranking should improve. Management department should excel and should take position of top institutes in not only nationally but also internationally.
Aman, how do you see the role of the extracurricular activities in shaping the students' all-over personality?
Academics are very important. There is no doubt, but at the same time, for the holistic development of personality, these extracurricular activities are very important. And Department of Management firmly believe in this, and we have many clubs here, which is headed by Dr. Sadak Siraj, Professor in Department of Management. We have Social Media Club, Cultural Club, Management Club, and Sports Club, where we want our students to take part as according to their interest. And I urge all the students to take any of the club and become member of these clubs so that they can develop their personality not only academically but also holistically.
Ma'am, from your perspective, how has Social Media Club is contributed towards the engagement of the department?
Social Media Club is one of the club which is there in Department of Management for I think last 1 or 2 years, and this club has actually worked a lot. And it has even excelled, I'll say, university level club. So the activities that this social media club is doing is under our 2 teachers, Dr. Mansoor Ahmed and Dr. Ariba. They both are assistant professor in Department of Management. Along with them, there is a dedicated team of students who are really working hard. And the social media club has actually given an edge to our department in social media.
Ma'am, how do you envision the Department of Management growing over 2 years under your leadership?
Department of Management is there since 1998, and we started with MBA program. Later on, many programs were added. Now we not only have undergraduate program but also masters and doctoral program here in specializations from HR to IT to marketing, finance, IB, entrepreneurship, operations. And we are in NIRF ranking for last 3 years. We are under 100 in last 3 years. And my aim to make it under 50 in coming years.
Ma'am, what advice would you offer students to help them to make the most of their campus life?
I would say we have a lush green campus, and apart from that, we have state-of-art facilities here. We have gym, many sports facilities are here like cricket ground, badminton court, you have that football court, and we have even not only closed gym but open gym also. Apart from that, there are many clubs under DSW, which is at university level, and students should take advantage of all these activities which are there. We have Eco Club, we have Mental Health Club, and mental health is very important these days. So you should take advantage of all the facilities which are there within Jamia Hamdard campus, and that will definitely help you to build your personality overall.
Ma'am, lastly, what message would you like to give to our students, faculty, and largely for Jamia Hamdard community?
First thing that I would like to tell to students and parents that this campus is a safe and inclusive campus. We work on the safety and security of our students, whether they are national or international students. We have hostel facility for outstation students and international students, and we have so many things that build the overall personality of the students, as I discussed before. So make use of it, all the things which are here, and definitely it will help you to grow your personality. To my teachers or colleagues, I would say we should work as a team to achieve the vision of our founder, Hakim Sahib, and to share the pains of others. That should be our motto.
Ma'am, just a quick rapid fire round. Teaching or administration?
Teaching.
One leadership quality you like the most?
Honesty.
Books or digital learning?
Books.
One skill every management student should know?
Honesty.
Classroom teaching, mentoring, or student feedback?
Student feedback.
One word you describe today's student?
Full of energy.
Your favorite thing about Jamia Hamdard?
Lot many things, but yes, campus and friends.
A habit that helps you to stay productive every day?
Keep working 24/7.
One goal you hope the Department of Management should achieve?
Excellence.
Which role keeps you the busiest? Provost, head of the department, or director of
Provost. It's a 24/7 job.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable insight with us.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure to have you here with us.